Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode for Appies with Chappy by the lake. I take everyday leftovers and make an appetizer and a grape sparkling lemonade. Coming right up. Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a great episode coming up for Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm going to take some leftover chicken taco salad and make an appetizer. But first up, we're going to head out to beautiful sunny Mexico. I just got back from holidays from Mexico. I just flew in and boy, my arms are tired. I stayed at a nice 5-star resort and here's a meal I had. So stay tuned for that. So this is the resort I stayed at. You can see the name there, Dreams Jade, which is located in Puerto Morales, Mexico, just south of Cancun. Now, unbeknownst to me, there happened to be a drug war going on at the time, and I don't know if you saw in the news, this was a number of weeks ago, but 15 masked gunmen with the Mexican cartel came up by boat on the beach and shot 2 drug dealers. So that the beach I was staying on was actually the beach where that had happened. Now, it was actually at a different resort than I was staying at, and I was already back in Canada when it happened. But my point is, maybe if you're planning on doing a vacation to Mexico, hold off on that or go somewhere else. And if you do go to the Cancun area, probably stay in the hotel zone. But that's the restaurant I went to, Cin Cin, Mediterranean restaurant. I had the choice of 5 restaurants. That was the Mediterranean salad. It was called the Horitiki Salata, a traditional Greek salad with feta cheese. My soup was called the Fasolata, which was a typical white bean soup with pancetta slices. Cilantro shrimp risotto. I think it had candied beets on top. And my entree was the grouper filet. Grouper candied in olive oil, served with steamed vegetables and potatoes. Grouper's a lovely white fish. You see it a lot in Florida. Along in the Tampa region, they have a lot of grouper. And that was my lemon pie with berries for dessert. Come on now, Mookie. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. This is Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're going to have appetizers and a cool, refreshing drink. Come on now, Mookie. Don't be cruel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today for my appetizer, I'm just going to take some leftovers and whip it up into an appy. So last night we had chicken taco salad. So I just took the leftovers, put it in the fridge overnight, and I basically just put it on crackers. So this is chicken taco salad on a cracker. And of course, with Appies with Chappy by the lake, we need a beverage. So today I'm going to make a sparkling grape lemonade. I got a big hurricane glass full of ice. I got my cocktail shaker. Put a little bit of ice in the cocktail shaker. Alright, so this is a sparkling grape lemonade. We'll do 1 ounce of vodka and 1 ounce of Unicorn Dreams Flavor Burst. And then we're going to do 3 ounces of lemonade. Lemonade, that cool, refreshing drink. I got some Tropicana lemonade today. You can make your own lemonade. Tropicana does make a good lemonade, though. So 3 ounces of lemonade. And 1 ounce of grape juice. Alright, we'll give it a shaky. And then we're just gonna strain it into my hurricane glass full of ice. And then we're gonna finish it off with Sprite or 7-Up. I have, what do I have today? I have Sprite today. And we'll give that a try. Oh, it's delightful. And that's a sparkling grape lemonade to go with my chicken taco salad on a cracker. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.